Alright, so we have placed a couple of views on a sheet, and now we're going to print the sheet. So to print, you can go to the R pull down and select print, or you can do Control P, which is what I'm doing on my keyboard, and it'll bring up the print dialog box. Now the first thing you want to do is select your printer. I have Adobe PDF selected. If you don't have the option for Adobe PDF on your computer, you can download the free PDF or the Qt PDF writer, and you'll get the option for that. The selections will be slightly different, but it'll be very similar. So I'm going to use the Adobe PDF. You can also use the computers in the lab, and they have the Adobe PDF driver on them as well. So select the Adobe PDF, and we're going to print range the current view. Okay, and then we are going to go take a look at the setup. If you're using the file I gave you and you have an Adobe PDF driver, it will set to the Adobe PDF 11:17. But what you want to make sure of, if it's not able to use that because you don't have the PDF driver, that your paper size is set to tabloid here. So you can go to the pull down and pick tabloid. You want to center it, and you want to zoom 100%. Now when you change the zoom to 100%, recheck and make sure that it's centered, because it'll flip to offset from corner. And then you want to double check down here under options that hide reference work planes, hide unreferenced view tags, hide scope boxes, and hide crop boundaries is checked. It's going to go in and process it in a certain way. Once you have all this set up, you can save it if you want to, so it'll keep those settings and you can reuse them, or you can click OK. And once you get to here, you should be able to do a preview, and it'll preview what it's going to print. Now once you're in the preview, you need to go back to print to get to the print dialog box. If you hit close, it'll exit you all the way out of the print. It's very annoying. So I'm going to go to print, cancel that, and it'll bring me back to the print dialog box. And if I click OK, it will open up my file system and give me a place to print this. So I'll just do lecture analysis video and hit OK, and you'll see it process that, and in my particular case it opens up Adobe Acrobat and shows me that print. So there's the print, and it should be a vector print, so if I zoom in on that, you're going to see that it's a vector print of that. Okay, alright, so that's what you're going to do. For the next part of the assignment, you'll just create 2 more patterns, and you can do that here in the pattern area. If you want to, you could do a save as up here and save a separate file, or you can actually, for example, copy a scope box if you want to leave these in place, and copy sort of the corner reference planes over. So if I copy that from there to there, it'll give me a new scope box, which will be called scope box 3, and you can duplicate, you can make a new pattern here, and you can duplicate and do the same process that we did with the pattern copy 1 and pattern copy 2 if you'd like. Okay, or you can do a save as and have a separate file for your analysis and one for the create. It's up to you how you want to handle that. Alright, so that's pretty much what you want to do. And then finally you're going to have 2 PDFs, one with analysis and one with 2 additional patterns, and you're going to combine those into one PDF and submit them on Canvas. So if you have any questions about combining 2 PDFs into one, please come and see me during class and I'll show you how to do that. Alright, that's it.